All the content in this video is for information purposes only and not intended for medical advice.
Do you believe in change? Have you heard them say, change is coming? What if I told you change is already here?
Moringa, I've been taking it for about a year now, and I take it just for well-being and health. But in doing it, I experimented and tried to use it in my hair when I had hair loss, and I had a few patches which people thought was hereditary because my father's got the same spots where his just hair recedes. But I tried it in there and rubbed the Moringa diluted with water, and say it started to grow back within a month. Very small grains. Continued using it. Within 3 to 4 months, my hair grew back. So I'm using it for that. It's right here. You can see where it's you might see a slight where it's completely bald, but now you can't see the skin no more. It's thick. I just continue using it, but it's difficult because there's hair now. It's difficult to get the actual, now the hair's there, you have to put a bit more in. I'm happy with it, and it works great for me, it's something I just thought I'd try. Definitely recommend somebody trying it on their hair, because I'm a living proof it does work on my hair. I would suggest, in diluted water and rub it in the hair daily. I'm sure you'll see a result. And I recommend it also for the eyes. It's focused my eyes. I was at the opticians last year getting glasses, and now I don't really use them very often. I hardly ever use them. It has to be, I don't know, some strange writing, because sometimes you can really get some bad prints. Most of the time, I can read everything on this now, which is a good improvement. It's recommended. You can't, when you've got health problems, you've got to try these things, because these things are natural. There's no side effects, which I'm happy with. Obviously, if I didn't have this, I'll probably be well stressed, because I could just imagine the hair and the eyesight going, and aging, looking 70, 50 and so forth. So I could definitely advise people to give it a try and give a feedback on the results, because it's good.
Hair and nails are basically made of skin cells, but there's a crucial difference. They're packed full of keratin, something that can be replenished by moringa leaf powder. By adding this extra keratin to your diet, you can ensure that your fingernails stay strong and less likely to break, while hair will stay nourished, meaning it will be more securely anchored to your scalp, while you're also less likely to get split ends. Keratin isn't all that moringa leaf powder has going for it either. Vitamin A will prompt hair growth and decrease the likelihood of dandruff. Vitamin C and E help to improve blood circulation to the scalp, while the vitamin B, calcium, iron, potassium and more will also help to keep your locks stay strong. Making a great first impression on people is important in many walks of life, and having healthy hair and nails will not only look good, but will also give you the confidence to perform. Discover how to get hold of moringa leaf powder by visiting ankara.com.
Errol. Yeah, I try to leave the seed, the oil. I see a lot of improvement by using the oil. With my skin glowing, my hair growth is getting thicker. If you can see my hair. Yeah, it's improving the hair growth, it's getting thicker.
You always feel better when your hair is looking great, and you can help it keep its luster by using moringa oil on your scalp. Warming the oil slightly and then massaging it in will moisturise the top of your head to treat dryness. Leave it in for a few minutes to sink in, and then either wash it out normally so that the nutrients can be absorbed without leaving your head feeling greasy, or you could leave it in overnight for deeper moisturising. Vitamins A and E are of particular help, as they can help to moisturise and stimulate blood flow to the follicles to keep them healthy. As well as reducing dryness and itchiness, this can also result in stronger hair, less dandruff and fewer split ends. Moringa oil doesn't just contain these two vitamins though, it's packed full of goodness to help your hair and scalp. Find out more and get yours today from Ankara.com.
We've received some amazing reviews through our trusted Trustpilot system, and we'd like to share these with you.
Susan, I am so impressed. I've been taking moringa powder and oil for about 3 months now. After the first 3 weeks, I noticed a massive improvement to the condition of my nails and hair. They are strong and growing so much faster. I have got my parents and friends on it too, and they are so pleased with the results and increased energy levels. I have recently started taking Sharpen the Brain tablets as well, so watch this space. Lender. Excellence. I have been using the Moringa tablets and the red algae for a long time. I take the two products together on a daily basis. The changes are that my nails are so strong, my hair is strong, which I put down to the addition in my diet of the red algae. I have smooth, wrinkle-free skin and my bowels are very happy, which I put down to the Moringa tablets. If you are serious about maintaining great health, then I can strongly advise that the Moringa and red algae are the way forward in keeping fit, clean and healthy, inside and out. Oh, by the way, Charles is so helpful. He is a minefield of knowledge. Visit www.ankara.com. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below.
All the content in this video is for information purposes only and not intended for medical advice.